Decatur, Prussia, Neiman Marcus, Macy's, Bloomingdale's way over there, and the abandoned Lord & Taylor. But you guys are going to be surprised by what you are going to see inside. There's the scar, super duper cool. But watch out for this car. Yeah, there used to be a name here too, Lord & Taylor, but the oldest what was the oldest surviving department store in the United States is now just a memory. Pretty nuts. Watch this car. Jeez, man. What's left? Probably nothing. Jeez, man. Okay, I'm just gonna probably stop. Wait, whoa! Holy cow. Boy, it's gone. Jeez, man. There's a ceiling fan, a portable. Jeez. This place is gone. Look at that. Man. They took that out. Oh my gosh, guys. That place is gone. Man, I really thought we were going to be able to see the Lord & Taylor, but that is a dead warehouse. Jeez, man. Sorry, I gotta zoom the camera back in. I didn't want to get up too close to the doors because it was like hazard signs. Oh. Wow, man. Gone. That place is gutted to the shell. It's like literally a warehouse. Literally like a warehouse, basically. Here's the other side of it. It's a very busy mall. Look at that beautiful label scar. Wow. It was even better on the doors. Oh, you can't even, wow. Great, you can't even look at anything here. Guess let's just take a, wow, man. They have the whole entrance blocked. Oh, because the whole entrance gone. Wow. Oh my. Holy cow! Oh, come on, camera, focus. Man, there's absolutely nothing left. Jeez, it's a warehouse. Come on, camera, focus. Nothing. It's a warehouse, guys. That is crazy. Alrighty. Yeah, I mean, dude, they got the whole entrance. Nothing left. Like, the whole entrance over there is just gone, guys. I really thought we were going to be able to see, like, no wonder they have the inside of that place. What is this truck doing? Anyway, I'm going to end it here, but no wonder they have the whole inside blocked off, because there's no store. Like, back when I was here a few months ago and I made that video, a couple videos, like, I made a few videos of the, abandoned places in the mall and ceiling fans in the mall, and I was like, sorry you can't see inside, but this is where the Lord & Taylor was. I made that, like, little YouTube short. Maybe it was a video, actually. I don't remember. And, literally, I'm like, too bad they have it blocked off. The reason they do is because there's no store left behind. Like, there's no store left. Like, there's no more store behind that at all. There's absolutely no more store, guys. At least you saw some portable fans while we were doing this. Jeez, man.